Alternative legal service providers versus traditional law firms. Which one is better for cost-effective legal solutions? Most businesses think traditional law firms are the only way to get reliable legal support, but the surprising truth is that alternative legal service providers, or ALSPs, often offer smarter, more cost-effective solutions. ALSPs specialize in specific legal services like document review, contract management, compliance, and litigation support. They leverage technology, process automation, and flexible staffing to deliver high-quality work at lower costs. For example, a company facing a large volume of contracts can use us to automate reviews, flag risks, and prepare summaries far faster than a traditional firm billing by the hour. Traditional law firms provide comprehensive legal advice, deep expertise, and trusted client relationships. They are ideal for complex matters, high-stakes litigation, or strategic counsel. However, for routine, high-volume tasks, their hourly billing model can be expensive and inefficient. Firms may assign junior associates to repetitive work, which can lead to slower turnaround and higher costs. The main difference is efficiency versus traditional oversight. ALSPs focus on speed, scalability, and technology-driven accuracy, while law firms bring judgment, negotiation skill, and context-specific advice. Many organizations now use a hybrid model. ALSPs handle high-volume or standardized work, and law firms focus on critical strategic decisions. The takeaway is simple: for cost-effective legal solutions, ALSPs often outperform traditional firms in efficiency and affordability. The surprising truth is that relying solely on a law firm can be overkill for routine tasks. Combining ALSPs with strategic law firm input allows companies to reduce costs, improve turnaround, and still maintain high-quality legal outcomes.